These past days have been full of a bit of everything, just like the weather. Rainy days, chilly mornings, and then, out of nowhere, a very strong wind. And also a welcoming taste of sunshine that almost felt like summer. It's like the seasons couldn't quite make up their mind. But now, finally things seem to be settling down. The air feels calmer, a bit warmer and a bit gentler. The kind of weather that makes you want to slow down and enjoy it. It's a nice change, and quite honestly, this year it feels like we have really earned it. This is such a lovely time of year here in rural Sicily. There is garden work to be done, and it fits the mood of the days. Nothing rushed, just small steady jobs outside. And in between, there is time to head out and enjoy it all, before the real summer heat arrives. The Modica Ponte Guglieri never ceases to amaze me. This bridge was constructed in 1963 and opened in 1967. It's about 550 meters long and 137 meters above the valley. That Sunday they were even setting up for a Mexican street food festival in the evening, which added a bit of color and excitement that morning.
My puppy, thank you.
We wandered through the antiques market in Modica, not really looking for anything in particular. Just soaking in the atmosphere, the buzz of people, the little treasures here and there. When we got home, we found a disaster. The canopy I had over my vegetable patch had been destroyed by this very strong wind. But not all is lost, and here Vic is trying to repair the broken parts, and we will be using it for something else. Vic is very good at repairing stuff and for coming up with a different use for it. The sun was out again, so back into the garden. I had this lavender plant that had died on me last year, but I kept it till it's all dried up so I can use the leaves for something else. I will show you what I'm going to do with it later on in this video. One evening took us to Chiaramonte. We went with some friends and there happened to be the feast. And you feel that familiar sense of community and celebration that fills the streets. If you've never visited Chiaramonte Gulfi in the province of Ragusa, it's definitely a must add on to your travel list. It's absolutely charming, authentically quaint, with so much to see and explore. The next day, it was a day of rain again. And when it rains, it's time to make soup again. I also found myself trying a few simple little ideas that I came across on YouTube. Just small things really, nothing complicated, with the dried up lavender I collected the other day. I put them in the jar and topped it up with some white vinegar and leave it there for 2 to 3 weeks till it ferments, and then it will make a very nice air freshener mixed with water.
It's taking shape.
So the idea with the broken canopy that we had, Vic is going to construct a greenhouse, which is a fantastic idea.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air.
For the house, I tried making a natural cleaner to avoid all the chemicals, something fresh and simple.
Everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other.
And then a day at La Riserva di Vendicari, where everything felt still and so quiet. This is a restaurant with a beautiful setting next to the car park, and if you keep walking up, there will be the entrance to the Riserva, and you pay $3.50 per person to go in.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
We went at a very good time of the year because it was packed with flamingos, which are so gorgeous.
I wouldn't want it any other way.
Allora che film show. Allora.
Dreamy,
I'm on
breezy,
him.
we go.
They're meeting.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover.
The ruins of the Tonnara are spectacular. It was an old tuna processing plant. All of it sits right by the sea, giving it that very dramatic feel.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. And a sparkly shimmer
Aurelio Bichon.
restoring everything within.
To the left to reach this beautiful beach area, and it was about 4 kilometers to reach it, but halfway through it looked like it was going to start pouring again, so we had to turn back. And to the right you get to a church or something else, but we couldn't go that way because the path was closed due to some damage by Storm Harry. Stopped to eat at the restaurant nearby, but it was a bit disappointing because it was very expensive. Food was good, but portions extremely small. Our friends told us that at Chiaramonte they make the very best cannoli in Sicily. And they weren't wrong. They are absolutely delicious. Honestly, you have to go there just to taste them, and you won't regret it. They say that in these old towns, it feels like time stood still. And it really did feel like that. There was like a Florence Nightingale now walking by. And that's the end of another episode of our Sicilian Diaries. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Arrivederci!